What's up, Kurlz crew, and welcome again to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Kurlz. Welcome. Well, today I am going to be showing you guys how to get all of this body on your wash and go. It is a stretched look. It has all the bouncing body without sacrificing your definition, okay? And the only thing that we used, blow dryer. Oh, and a little bit of water. So if you guys would like to see that, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so I am starting with a fresh wash and go. Actually a dried wash and go, not fresh. I did allow this to air dry all day. I actually washed it this morning so that it could be prepared for now while Caleb's in school, because I'm telling you guys, it is impossible to film during the day. And Vlogmas has me going crazy, and I'm not even doing this every single day. But anyway, the video, right? Because that's what you're here for. So you can actually dry your hair under a dryer. You can allow it to air dry like I did, or you can get your hair diffuser and just attach that to whatever blow dryer you have, and then you can just press this over your hair. Make sure that you have it on the head though, so that you don't have any frizz. It's going to eliminate that. But I wanted to reduce the amount of frizz, especially because I'm going to be stretching out my hair. So I am just going to be using this tool here. I'm going to attach it. This is my Conair cord keeper. I love this. This is my favorite. I'm just going to connect it. And now that is ready. Next, I am going to section off my hair so that I can begin to stretch them out. So, per usual, I'm just going to split this very easily. Oh, sorry. Very easily into 4 sections. And I'm going to put that in a hair tie, but I'm only going to tie it once. Because again, I don't want to continue to manipulate my hair too much, because I want to try to eliminate frizz. Because I did this all day, it actually has a lot more frizz than I was hoping for, but it got busy. So I'm just gonna tie those ones up in the front, because I'm gonna show you those in a second, and then I'll move on to the back. But when I do the back, I'm just gonna fast forward that. So gently here, I am going to separate this section of my hair gently, and then I'm going to take a clip and I'm going to clip that out of the way. And then I know this is going to sound crazy because we had our hair dry, but in order for you to manipulate your hair without causing too much of the damage to the definition of your curls, you want to make sure that you wet it so that you can actually handle it. You'll see what I mean in a second. So you are not going to soak it. Just get it a little bit wet. Turn on your blow dryer. And then I like to lift my hair. You probably can't hear me. I like to lift my hair up, and then I like to blow dry under by holding my hair out straight. And I'm not going to do anything with my ends. And I'm going to try and stay as far away from the roots as I can, because I don't want there to be too much body. I don't want it to be too full. So I am not going to focus on my root. I'm just going to focus on this middle section here, the ends of my hair, because I want to keep the definition. I'm not going to touch those at all. And then I don't want to make the inside of it fluff up too much, especially because I had it out already today. I'm just going to focus on this section from here to here. So all I'm going to do is pull that section down in my hand very loosely. Turn on your blow dryer, and right under the bottom, blow that down. All right. Now, do you see the difference already? Like, it comes all the way down. Let me move my light a little bit so you guys can actually see it. Can you see that? So my definition is still at the bottom. It just stretched my hair out. So it pulled it down. And if you want to, you can go in over it a little bit more. It actually doesn't have a ton of frizz because I didn't touch it that much and because you're going from the bottom. So if I lift it up, you notice there's going to be a little bit more frizz on the bottom, but there's not really. But again, that's how I like to stretch out my natural hair. So I am just going to fast forward this so you guys can get a quicker view of it instead of me just talking the entire time. So you guys will just see me spray the hair wet again and then take the blow dryer over it just to stretch that out. And again, I just went over it like 2 to 3 times. If it did need a little bit more, I did. And again, I did it from the bottom. Okay, so hope you guys like it. Okay guys, so this is what the stretched side looks like. You can see how much further down it has stretched. It's not as shriveled as it was, and you can definitely stretch it out even more. I don't necessarily like my hair to look as long as it does. I know that doesn't make sense. I more so like to stretch my hair out for the volume, not so much the length, because when it's longer, it makes me hot. Like you guys can see, I'm sweating right now. Most of my videos I'm sweating because this hair is hot. Naturals, y'all know it's hot. Anyway, so yeah, that is this side, but I haven't completely fluffed it out. And that is this side that's over here. I'm going to straighten out my head so it doesn't look like I'm tilting it, but you can see the difference. So it's not stretched, like again, it's not all the way stretched down, but it did stretch it out some. So I am going to go ahead and finish this side of my head and come back and show you guys what it looks like all together. And then we are going to pick it out a little bit and then we are going to have our finished look. Okay, so keep watching, okay? And if you're still with me at this point in the video, comment crazy combing hair, okay? Crazy combing hair. Be back in a minute. So now I am just going to be taking some of my African Best Originals Olive Oil Shine. I'm just going to take some of this and put some oil on my hair. Alright. And then this last step is totally optional. You do not have to do this, okay? Your hair can already be fluffy. Like, you see how mine is? This side actually fluffed a lot better than this one. So I'm going to try to make that match. But look at the volume on my hair already. It was so much flatter earlier, right? Look at that. So now I am just going to take my detangle brush, and I'm only going to focus on like this area of my hair, and I am going to pick it out very lightly just to add a little bit more volume in the areas that I feel like I need a little bit more of a lift. I am not going to do this a lot because I don't want my hair to be too frizzy, especially because this is just the first day of my wash and go. But if you are looking to get that third day, fourth, fifth day on the first day, I know I exaggerated by fifth day because fifth day is possibly this, but maybe a little bigger. I used to get in trouble at work for wearing my hair so big. But here we go, guys. So my hair is now completely stretched out. For now, this is my favorite go-to for how to stretch out my hair to get yourself to go from flab to glam. And you can style this like any kind of way too. Like, just style it on up. But anyway, I'm gonna keep it like this with my middle part. What did I do? And I'm going to stop touching my hair because I don't want to manipulate it too much. This side is getting more bushy than the other side. Okay, well anyway. So this is my final look, guys. You did not have to jeopardize your definition at all, okay? So if you guys like this video, please subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, my Kurlz crew.